thought we would document the river here that was a creek and has now clearly washed out one of the roads down here. So you try to go across there. I'm going to keep this recording as I go back and show the main road at Kedron. And just keep it recording here. I'll look out to the side. Over here you see the water rushing under at this point, but of course over there it's rushing over. Look at that. It's amazing. Down here is the main crossing point for our area. This is where Kedron Road crosses. Where? I don't know how good it's showing up on the screen, but I'm about to enter a lake. I'm not going to go into it. But down there on the left where you see the back side of that diamond-shaped sign is you see a guardrail, barely. That guardrail stands about 3.5 feet tall, and it's still planted firmly in the ground, but the water is all over the place. So we're kind of sequestered here.